Welcome back to my channel. My name is Blair if you're new here, and today we're going to do a cook with me. It's a very chilly day so far, so I am going to make soup. So it's called cracked chicken and rice soup. So this is pretty simple, right? Just ingredients, throw it in a pot and let it go. And then with it, I had bought a box of Red Lobster Cheddar Bay biscuits, so we're going to make those as well. To go with it. Yeah, let's get cooking. All right, so let's talk about the ingredients. I've prepped most of it up. You saw that I was pulling chicken off a rotisserie chicken to keep it simple. I have chicken broth, and then I just want to be able to show you, I got this Healthy Request cheddar cheese. So I only need half a can because I am halving this recipe. Of course, the full one will be linked down below. And I did take a little bit of a side cut because this was supposed to be diced carrots and celery, but I just bought the Mirapo mix, which is celery, carrots, and onion, so it might have a little extra flavor. I already prepped the bacon a little while ago, so that's cooked and chopped. You also need some long grain rice and some ranch seasoning. So basically we're going to put all of this into a Dutch oven so it can cook, and then we'll start on the biscuits. Because this really only needs like 20 minutes once everything's in there. So let's go ahead and get all this into the Dutch oven. So from here, we're just gonna go ahead and boil this and then turn it down to a simmer for the last 20 minutes. And then I'm gonna get started on the biscuits. So this is the mix that we're gonna go ahead and make. I'm gonna go ahead and preheat the oven to 425, and then all you need is the mix, cheese, and water to make the biscuits. And then they give you, or not give you, but they tell you to melt down butter and add in a seasoning packet, which we'll do later. But I'm gonna get this going after I preheat the oven. So for this, I'm gonna use a spoon because it's just easier, but I'm gonna go ahead and add that in. You don't over mix it, so you just want to stir it till we get a dough to form. I have a feeling all of this is going to be a great combination for a cooler fall day, and I'll have leftovers for a couple dinners. This says that it should make 8 to 10 biscuits, and we're going to use this to actually bake them. oven's preheated. We're gonna cook these for about 14 to 16 minutes. And then once they come out, I'll melt the butter and do the next step. So I already melted down my butter. We're gonna add the little seasoning packet. And since I don't really want to clean this again, I'm going to put the biscuits on a plate and then butter them. Just so that way I don't have to wash this pan or this silpat with garlic butter on it. So we're just going to brush the butter on top now that we've got that all combined. It said you can spoon it too, but here we'll just go this way. Let's give it a try. That was really good. I will say the mirepoix needed more carrots and celery in here. It's definitely loaded with onion, but it's really good. There's lots of flavor. It's cheesy without being too cheesy, which I was kind of afraid was gonna happen with the cheddar cheese stuff, but this is really good. And this came together really easy. Like, this is a good quick night dinner meal. And then the biscuits, we're gonna give a bite of that. I've never actually bought these ones, and I don't go to Red Lobster very often because I don't eat fish. Yeah, those hit the spot. That's perfect with this. So overall, this was really good, really easy. I think it came together in like 30 minutes for everything. So this is a perfect like weeknight dinner meal. But I hope you enjoyed, and as always, I hope everybody has a blessed day.